Happy Sunday. I'm gonna get in a quick workout and then take you along with me if we do end up going to Costco. We usually do like a big Costco run on Sundays to do our food prep for the week, just because it's a lot easier that way for us when we're on the go and Blair's working late and I'm with Birdie all day. So do a Costco run later. I'm gonna get in a good workout. Hopefully I have to gym to myself, so that's really nice. And I'm gonna pop on a good podcast. Let me know in the comments what your favorite podcast is to listen to. I'm always interested in what others like to listen to because I usually stick to like the same 2 or 3. But let me know if you have a favorite and I will give it a listen.
Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we can run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
And making Birdie some pancakes for the first time too. The recipe was really easy. It's just 1 egg, 1 banana, a little bit of oats, and I added in some cinnamon. I caught you chewing on your book again. We don't chew on our book, sweetie. Happy Sunday. The sun is shining for us. We're gonna have a great day. Coffee for the first time. Just in the process right now of making it. Look at those pancakes. I'm gonna add some homemade pear sauce that I made on top of it, just to make it a little bit mushier because Birdie's not fully on to like solid food just yet, so I'm gonna add some of that on top and then give her some strips to eat for breakfast. Okay, let's make the first cup here. Okay. Hi, cuties. Birdie's having pancakes for the first time. Mmm. It's a little chillier today and I just had to put this toque on Birdie because I lost her other toque, but it's so cute. Oh my goodness, she's like a little teddy bear. You're so cute. But we're off to the dog park. The sun is peeking through. Another beautiful day. We've had a lot of sunny days the past few weeks, which is so nice, isn't it? I hope there's a bunch of dogs out because it's lunchtime. So there should be quite a few there. Let's see. We just finished our walk to the dog park. Went for a short little nature walk and now we're just hanging out in the sun because it's so beautiful out. It was a little gloomy earlier, but the sun really peeked through for us. And then we're gonna go to Costco, get our weekly haul. We're just soaking up the sunshine. Having a little snack. Birdie loves her baby mum, so always snacking on those. You can do it, Birdie.
Birdie's very excited because we're going to Costco. We're gonna get our groceries, and she loves going to the grocery store. Yeah, we're going to the store.
Let me hold it.
Cart is filling up, Peanut. Filling up with the goods.
Apu!
Every time I come down the cereal aisle, I always want to get Reese's Puffs and Lucky Charms, but I never do.
Yeah, they look yummy, don't they? Mm-hmm.
Alright, on the home stretch, I'm getting protein powder instead of Aussie Bites because I will show you how I make my homemade protein balls. They are delicious. We're done. Got everything we need. Go, Daddy, go. Costco is busy as always, but we made it. I love you. You're getting your new car seat put in soon. Yeah, it's already there. You're not going to be in your infant one much longer. This is what $200 will get you at Costco. Not quite. We also got some ground beef that we use for our Mexican wraps that we prep during the week. But I got some sweet potato. This is great for Birdie's meals. I put that in a lot of her food. Peppers that we use for wraps. Cotton candy grapes are delicious if you have not tried them. Oh my gosh, they taste like candy. Bananas for breakfast. We put those in our oatmeal all the time in smoothies. Apples, have these in our lunches. These are on sale, but anything lemon I love. So that'll be perfect for a quick meal. I was hungry when we were in Costco, so grabbed these because they looked yummy. And I've been snacking on them. These are a favorite flavor of the Rain Coast crisps. These cranberry ones, they're really good. So I just got a pack of those because those are great for hummus and crackers and veggies that you're snacking on throughout the day. And then wraps, for our wraps. This is the protein I use for the protein balls. I'm gonna make a quick video on how I make those. I don't have like a specific recipe that I follow. I've just made them for a couple weeks now and I really like the concoction that I have. So I'll show you in a video at some point. And that's all we got, just a little haul. We didn't need too much. So these are just our staples. She's crawling. You're doing it. Come on. Yay. Yay, Birdie. You did it, love. That was a lot of work. Yay. I'm gonna end the video off here. Enjoy the rest of your week and weekend, and thanks for taking along. Bye.
Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like